Hello from Slovenia again. I have all these beautiful rainbow colors prepared here to do a reverse flower dip in some kind of rainbow. So I want this year to be colorful and rainbow looking, so let's try to do one rainbow flower. And I think that I will start from the middle part, and I will go from violets to blues to pale blues, greens, yellows, oranges and red on the bottom, and I will use my pearl white to get some lacing. I'm just thinking how to do a middle part. Maybe if I do I will just add a dot of white here, pearl white, just, I don't know. And I will start with quinacridone violet. I don't know if I centered this, probably not. And pearl white next. And blue violet. And then we go to the blues. This is Windsor blue.
Yeah.
And pearl white again. No, I have to have my pearl white here. And cyan blue. And next will be sky blue. I didn't do flower dip like this before, so I really don't know how this will turn out. And pearl white again. I hope that it will not be too white because of my pearl white. And some blue turquoise. And then will be permanent green middle. And pearl white again. I just hope that I didn't add too much of this pearl white, really. Whoop. And yellowish green. And then will be azo yellow, lemon hue. Maybe I did these puddles too close. I don't know. We will see. Experiment. Cadmium red. Cadmium yellow. Sorry. And there's orange. White, of course. Whoops, you see? Cadmium orange. Cadmium red. Middle hue. White. I hope that I will not get pink. Vermilion red. A blob again. Hate when this happens, but okay, I get it out. And now let's spray my paper towel with water. I don't know how this will go, because you see I really didn't put it down right, but now it is what it is. Let's push paint towards the sides. I will be really sad if this will ruin my painting, if everything else will be okay. We will see. And let's lift this. Okay, not quite what I was hoping for, so maybe next time I just have to do more puddles on the outside too, and I should have started from the sides to the middle, because I lost all the purple in the middle. I will just try to bring some out, but I can't, so definitely will try this again, but from outside towards the middle, not from the middle towards the sides. So I really think that it will be nicer. I did get some purple, just a tiny bit, but not as much as I wanted to, and I don't like this pattern here, and I kind of don't like these reds, because I have to do it from sides towards the middle, and it will look nicer, I think. So I will definitely do it like this again, the opposite way. You see, I just get this little purple here in the middle, just a tiny bit. So but colors go nice towards the sides, and pearl white was a good idea, I think, too. But I was hoping more for this, so I definitely have to do it, otherwise to have my the whole flower like this, not like this. So this petal bothers me here, but it's not so bad, and it's not quite I was hoping for. So definitely will be another try. So tell me what you think, how I should layer paints to get more of this flower shape. This looks like a mandala or something. It's not bad at all, but not beautiful neither. So this is it for today, and we see. Please subscribe, like, comment. You know what to do if you find my videos helpful. You can share it on your social medias, and we see you on the next one. Bye.